friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Zeal Bioeasy. My name is Bhavita Gupta, your science teacher, and today I am gonna teach the last and third part of the chapter, the cell structure and its function. So let's start first about the cell. As we know, the cell is the basic and fundamental unit of the life of any cell organism. Cell is the basic unit or fundamental unit of life. According to complexity, the cell is divided into two parts. First is prokaryotic and second is eukaryotic. As we know, the prokaryotic is the primitive type of cell which is found in the lower class animals like algae, bacteria, PPLO, mycoplasma, etc. In these organisms are made up of prokaryotic cell and perform the all cellular functions by only single cell. And nuclear there are no nuclear organelles, nuclear membrane absent, and other cell organelles who are responsible for functions, they are absent. The brief instructions about the prokaryotic cell. In the prokaryotic cell, the shape is irregular. In any part, nucleus is found in any corner or the near of the cell wall. Prokaryotic cell, which is the primitive type of cell, the cell nuclear form or genetic material which is not the DNA or RNA occupied in the matrix or cytoplasm. There are no specific function or specific membrane to cover the nucleus. It is nagged and not covered by the nuclear membrane. There are no membrane present in around the genetic material or the DNA or RNA. Only one cell or sometimes pellicle are present in the primitive cell, and one or two flagella are also present in bacterial cell, and pili is all over the body. A thin hair-like structure pili is found in the bacterial cell, and these are the helpful in the locomotion and movement for the cell. For the food invagination, phagocytosis process means by the invagination of food process present in the cell, and they reproduce by the fission, by the binary fission, multiple fission, or by the fragmentation. This is the typical prokaryotic structure. Now come to the second part, or the eukaryotic type of cell. The eukaryotic cell found in the higher plants and the higher animals, means all higher animals or complex animals, multicellular organisms are made up of the eukaryotic cell. Here we will see what's the main features of eukaryotic cell. So let's start. Eukaryotic cell. In the eukaryotic cell, the typical eukaryotic cell, the cell membrane or plasma membrane found to cover the matrix or cytoplasm. In the central part, nucleus is found. Ribosome particles are found in the cell. In the eukaryotic cell, 80 S types of ribosomes are found, where 70 S types of ribosomes found in prokaryotic cells. And mitochondria is also present in the eukaryotic cell, and Golgi apparatus. Ribosomes is ER, which is helpful to make skeletal and transport path. ER is present for that. Centriole is found in the animal cell, where the vacuoles are present only plant cell. So these are the main features of eukaryotic cells. Now come to the next point. The main part of eukaryotic cell, first is nucleus, second is cytoplasm, and the third is cell membrane. Come to the first A point, the nucleosome. Nucleus, as I told, nucleus is present in the central part of the cell. So it is responsible for the genetic heredity and responsible it to perform the cell division. Cell division is started from the nucleus and made the essential proteins and RNA. These are the function of nucleus. And the second thing, nucleus is bound by the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is semi-permeative, means semi-selective membrane which allows some selective particles or some selective matters to come inside or release the essential matters to the outside. These are the main features or functions of the nucleosome. Now come to the second or B part, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm play an important role to contain or occupy the mini cell organelles like ribosome, lysosome, ER, Golgi bodies. All our organelles are present in the cytoplasm, and it performed the transporter work between the connection. It made the connection between nuclear membrane and cell membrane and made protein synthesis, essential enzymes and proteins for the which required to the cell body or to the organism. Third part is cell membrane. Cell membrane is a porous type of structure which allows some essential matters to come inside and goes outside, and it makes separate from the outer outermost environment to the cell. It will make a boundary or a line between other cells. It makes separate and cover the cell. This cell give the special protection to the cell organism and contain the cytoplasm. So these are the main functions of the cell membrane. Now come to the next. As we know, the eukaryotic cell is found in both plant and animal cell, but there is many differences between the plant cell and animal cell. So let's see what's the difference between the plant cell and animal cell. For the first difference between the plant cell and animal cell, that the cell wall present in the animal cell where it is absent in animal cell. This is cell wall is present in the plant cell where it is absent in animal cell. The second is vacuoles. Vacuoles are present in the plant cell and make it turgidity responsible for turgidity of the leaf and make volume of the plant leaves or plant cell where it is absent or found in the smaller size, absent or found in smaller size in the organism. Third is cell sap. Cell sap, which is the cell water connection in the cell, plants is found in plant cell only where it is absent in animal cell. Fourth, the cell plate or cell wall. Cell division is performed by cell furrows where it is done by the invagination of cell. These are the main differences between the plant cell and animal cell. I hope you understand well. Thank you so much.